Okay, so the piece is that wide-ish. So at that point, let's see how that goes. There's middle. There's middle, I like that.
Now with this tool, you can never be wrong. Always right angles.
Well, with all of my tools, they're never wrong because they're right tools. Take a little thickness off. And see if it needs a little more work or not. Just a little bit, not much. And 1/2 inches. That's what we want to cut it at. Douglas fir cuts really quickly. So, one spot there, and one there. There. Really? One detriment of clogs, actually. They don't get much grip in this case.
Wasn't recording yet.
I wish I could find my good hammers. Just mark there, and there, and there. Some of you may think that making, what is this, 48 of these marks is boring, but in all honesty, it's actually layout. Boring is with a drill. You know, these are a lot easier with a dado stack and a table saw. There, 12 layout marks out of 36. Now let's go cut 12 of 36. Theoretically, that should just like that. Happiness, happiness. Only 72 of those to do. Bet you didn't saw that coming. As with most tasks in life, when they seem really daunting and they have lots of steps, you just need to keep chiseling away at it. And eventually you'll get there. Just keep chiseling away. And this is the point in the video where I think we would just all like to cut to the end.
I'm kind of puzzled. What are you doing here?
It is interesting to be puzzled about a puzzle. Hey, Luke, can you go turn the heat on? This is it's kind of Burr in here. See this? This right there? That is exactly how I'm going to make my mark on this world. Age-old question. Why did the chicken cross the road? Answer: to get away from my jokes. Three, 4, Once more, I bet you didn't saw that coming.
Want me just to cut this part out?
Why did I hire you again?
Need a little outline on this one?
Yeah, you could say I crossed the line. Does this work? It doesn't, is the problem. That'll do. So now we have one piece that's done. We have one piece that's done. Let's keep going. I'm soon going to be releasing a new workout video. It is one of the best in the world because it has guaranteed chiseled six-pack. Other workout programs will guarantee rock-hard abs, but we guarantee oak-hard abs. Only the best. One quick tip, if you're ever having a problem watching videos, a lot of times you need to make sure that your router is set up right. It makes all of the Wi-Fi connections that much better if you have a good router. Well, I'm sorry, some of the video footage on this is a little bit, well, choppy. Mouthful of mahogany. It doesn't taste as good as you think it does. Oh no! Close. That was really close. Almost ran into a problem there. And here you can see I'm very, very happy, or you could say I am very chipper. Yay, there's the last one. My wife says that I tend to sweep my problems under the rug, but she doesn't realize I actually sweep them underneath the bench. It's just better to get rid of them that way. And there we have it, a puzzle. Oh yeah, we still have to put this thing together, don't we? Yeah. A puzzle! That I need the opening to be to the outside. And then, I'm just going to set this aside for a moment. So then let's grab that. And then I'm going to take this whole thing and slide it down in. Slide it down onto there. You in there. And you in there. This needs to go into there. Right? Yes. But then before we do that, this one needs to go into there. And this whole thing then slides back down in. Nice and tight, nice and tight, nice and tight. There we go. 4 different woods, 4 different directions. There's our burr. Let's take it all apart, clean it all up. It's almost as much fun to take apart as to put together. There we go. One big, beefy, interesting burr. So there you have it. This is an incredibly simple project, and I have links to plans down below. They're not mine, they're all free. There are hundreds of other burr designs out there, and a burr puzzle are all these little sticks that come together, they make a solid piece. I've done several videos on them in the past, and I'll leave links to those as well. They are very, very easy, quick projects, especially if you have a table saw. You can whip one of these out in about 5 minutes. They're a lot of fun, and they're good to give as gifts. I like it when you make them out of different woods for different directions, so all the oak is going this way, all the mahogany is going that way, all the pine is going that way. It just kind of adds a little bit to it, and making a big one like this is kind of interesting because most of the time they're rather small. And having it big, well, that's kind of fun. So I might end up doing some other large ones in the future. And if you did like the dad jokes, thank you. We were making a short video and figured this would make it a little bit more enjoyable rather than just watching someone cut the same joint over and over and over again. I know it was very boring, but there is absolutely no boring in this project. So There you go. I do want to say thank you to everyone who watched the channel. Click the like, subscribe, share button. Those really do help out. And if you have a dad joke you think I should tell, let me know that down in the comments below. I also want to say a huge thank you to all of the patrons on Patreon, which happen to be scrolling over here on the side. Thank you. And honestly, without you and members here on the channel, people who've clicked that join button, this channel would not exist. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewers. So thank you. If you like that, you can find out more about Patreon in the links down below, or click the little join button down there. And that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Wait, you want another one? Okay, fine. Where does the seaweed go when he needs to find a job? Well, of course, the Kelp Wanted section.